welcome to the latest episode of My Summer Camp at Home, a special initiative of Parent Circle. I am Kitcha. Most people know me as Little Chef Kitcha. I love cooking and I created my own cooking YouTube channel when I was 4 years old. Now I'm 10. We all know breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day. It gives us the energy we need for the entire day. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and energetic breakfast. Today we're making scrambled eggs with poha. Don't be too intimidated by all these ingredients. My mom set this up. And you might see so many vegetables. My mom always tries fitting in whatever vegetables she can. And these vegetables are only optional. So let's begin making this yummy breakfast. The first ingredient is ghee. You can also use oil. Let's wait for it to heat up. So now that you're stuck at home, what do? There is so much you can learn and do in these times. Like what I'm showing you now. If you learn this, you can start learning more and more recipes. And finally, you can become a chef like I am. There are so many days that you have. And with all the time, you can learn so many new things. Let me check. Oh yes, it's heated up. Let's add cumin seeds. Let's wait for them to pop. Or we call it splutter. Let's take this one. Let's take the spatula. Goes in the onion. Fry till it's light brown. When the cumin seeds splutter, be a little careful as it can splutter right to your face. I have experience with that. Now to speed the process up, we're going to add a little bit of salt. Just a little more than it's turn light brown. It's a light brown. Yes. What I say kids should do is to learn a little bit of cooking. So when they grow up, they can cook independently. Next goes in the chopped ginger. Cook until the raw smell goes. A little bit more. And as I was saying, you should start with something small like a sandwich, then go up and up. Once you've learned a little bit of cooking, you can search my channel and see tons of videos on how to make different dishes. And always, practice makes perfect. And when you're cooking, always there should be a parent next to you, as you don't know what can happen. The raw smell has gone. Next goes in the green chili. I love chili. It gives a spice into everything. And of course, I love spicy. Not too much, but not too less. That smell is coming together. Okay. Chopped tomatoes. Ooh, you can hear that sound. Here to be a little careful. Cook for a little bit. I'm super excited as this year I'm going to middle school and I don't know what to expect actually. All my friends who are going to 6th, like one who is right in the 9th floor, he told me that it's going to be a very new experience. Everything is going to be, the studies are going to be much harder, but we have all new periods. It's also super fun. So I can't wait for that. And with so much time left around, I too have a little fun. I watch videos, play video games. I also put in my time experimenting different recipes. Now the tomato is nicely cooked. Let's add the vegetables, which are fresh peas, chopped carrots, and chopped beans. Chopped carrot, and chopped beans. Ooh, looks super colorful, doesn't it? Mama, this looks more like a salad. I know you're doing this for my own good, but this is overload. Now, kids, you should definitely eat your vegetables as it gives you vitamins and minerals, make you more stronger, and it helps you fighting out diseases like the one we're quarantining from. And also eat properly. Breakfast is one of the most important meals. I always have a heavy breakfast with some milk. The milk provides calcium, which makes you extra strong, your bones strong, and your teeth strong. It's almost done. Don't overcook the vegetables because it's said that if it loses its color, all the vitamins and minerals will go away. So we should keep it perfect, not too overcooked, but not undercooked. Just perfect. Wow. Not gonna lie, the peas have such a vibrant color. Let's add the 2 spices, which are, you guessed it, chili, and of course our yellow friend, turmeric. Turmeric has a great, and it builds up your immunity. And what my grandparents do is whenever I get a cut or scar, they always patch it up with a little bit of turmeric, as what it is that it heals the wounds. Once there was a story where I was playing in the ground, then I scratched up my leg. I went up and my grandparents, instead of putting normal medicine like Dettol, they said they wanted to do the natural way. So they got some turmeric, put it on, and just maybe like one day, it was perfectly healed. And I thought, wow, turmeric must be some magical substance. It's cooked now. Let's just put it aside. Let's put it to one side, and here comes the cool part. Now we add eggs to the saucepan and scramble them. This is the cool part. Now let's keep on mixing them. Let's keep on scrambling them while they still cook. I reduced it to sim, so I'll be turning up the heat because I didn't want to burn the spices. Oh, now it looks perfect. You just scramble these up. Scramble. Ooh, now it's getting nicely scrambled. Oh, it looks amazing. Don't you think? Now let's mix it all up. Ooh, it's nicely scrambled. Perfecto. Now this looks like a proper breakfast. It's perfectly scrambled and really colorful. Let's add the poha. I'm using really flaky poha, but if you're using thick poha, you should soak it in water for a few minutes, then use. Same, and you can also use oats, and same with oats. Let's add. Ooh, nice. My dad, it's a good breakfast actually. My dad usually mixes poha with milk and eats that as a breakfast. It's really healthy breakfast. I know everyone's guilty breakfast pleasure is cereal. It's so good. The milk just comes in and the crunchiness of the cereal, oh, it's great. But poha is a great substitute as it's healthier and too, it's yummy. I've tried it from my dad. It's super yummy. For a while I thought it was not so good, but when I tried it, it was awesome. I was talking about cereals, right? Yeah, cereals are a modern version of poha, as in the olden days we used to use poha, but now they made it into cereals. But I still love poha. It's amazing and you can cook so many dishes with it. Like this one for an example. Let's add a little bit of milk. Little bit more. Done. Let's mix it around a little bit. It has become a nice yellow color. Let's add some curry leaves. I'll show you how to take out all the curry leaves. First, put the stalk like this. Make sure all the leaves are facing down. Hold it here and then just slide. It's so satisfying while doing this. I'll just do one at a time. So satisfying. So satisfying. Yep, now let's mix. The curry leaves smell amazing. They have a really good smell. And I personally love that smell. And we should also add a little bit of coriander. And our breakfast is ready. But we have one more step before that. Let's switch it off. Let's keep the spatula aside. Now, let's put a dash of lime juice. And our healthy and energetic breakfast is ready. I have a simple challenge to the fathers and kids. Make some scrambled eggs with poha and send pictures to me. I would like to see how it turned out.